Guys, welcome to this week's episode of the jspot. We're on our way to LCE Racing in Larnaca. Check out what the guys got going on in the shop.
We're sitting here with the head honcho behind the scenes at LCE. Introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hello, my name is Loucas Constantinou. I'm the manager of LCE Motor Mechanics.
Loukas, where is LCE located?
LCE is at the industrial area of Aradippou.
So Loukas, tell us what LCE offers as far as day-to-day services are concerned to its customers.
LCE is offering everything about the car, whatever have to do with the car, with the electronics, with the maintenance, servicing, tires, alignment, arranging, and if there is a bodywork with our partners, we have our recovery. We do race cars, drift car, rally car, anything have to do with car and more.
So you guys really are a one-stop shop. Loukas, tell us finally where our viewers can find you and how they can get in touch with you.
How to find us? We are in Aradippou industrial area. If we Google, they can open them up so can drive them here to the shop. On Facebook, on Instagram, they can get any telephone, any details they want for the company, so they can contact with us.
Perfect. Loukas, thank you for your time and we'll catch you again soon.
See you soon.